Let's be honest, old fundraisers are dead. One-time events, single payouts, endless effort for limited results. Now imagine a fundraiser that keeps generating funds over and over. Not just once, not just for a week, but month after month, year after year. LiveGood fundraising isn't just another program. It's a recurring income solution for your school, church, team, or cause. When someone signs up for a LiveGood membership and buys products through your organization, you earn 20% on every first order and up to 10% on each and every future order. Every bottle, every protein shake, every month. It's unlimited. Join a thriving community of over 2 million members in 100 plus countries and let your organization grow with us. No more one-and-done programs, no more starting from scratch every season. It's time for sustainable fundraising that works while you sleep. Welcome to LiveGood Fundraising. Let us help you raise the funds you need and never look back.